gon' think I'm crazy when I hit the mic and say I'm in the gilly. And I record like they say I got a problem, and I already knows it. They say I got a problem, and I already knows it. Give me a gun, sick flow guarantee. Give me the beer and sick niggas guarantee. Now it's all about my business, paper chasing. I hate for success and I have my bling bling. I get in every skin on dirty shit, straight clean. I don't need no bitches, it's all about my guap. But I'm still fucked up, and I stay strapped. My mouth can pop, ready to attack. I'm B to the R, and I'm straight from the R. The blood and grip shit, it's all about my home. Nigga can't say shit, cause Jennings in the zone. We don't need no bitches, we do our shit alone. You run all the world, living in Babylon. Don't ask a question, my niggas fucking strong. If you niggas fucked up, bitch, get your mind right. I'm straight fucked up, and my mind's right.
Shout out to all my niggas. My nigga Green Eyes, I got ya. I'm Blackbird from real source, nigga. I made it TNT. Shout out to my boy Rudy, Genius Crew. Shout out to all my niggas, all my friends, all my real niggas. Soldier B from OT. People think I'm fucked up. I told you I'm straight fucked up. And my mind's right, bitch.